guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these paperless paper towels. You're going to need a flannel or terry, some cotton material, scissors, and pins or clips. Now we're going to make a pattern, and your pattern is going to be a square that is 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches. Now I'm just going to fold my fabric over, and I got about 4 out of this much fabric, and I'm going to pin my pattern down and cut it out. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the flannel. We're going to take the flannel and your cotton and face them right sides touching. Pin all the way around. And we're going to sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Now I'm just going to cut off my corners, making sure that I don't get my stitch line. And turn it right side out. Make sure you really push those corners out. Now we're going to close up the hole that we left by tucking in the raw edges. Pin it, and we're going to top stitch all the way around. Now you're just going to repeat this until you run out of fabric. If you want to make this into a paper towel roll, then you add snaps to both ends to every piece so that you can snap them together like this, and then you just roll it up. But I decided that I'm just going to fold mine up. You can either put them into a cute little basket on the side of your sink or just roll them up and put them with your other towels. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.